This video will show you how to install Magna Lens magnetic earmuff adapters on any of the 3M X series models of earmuffs, allowing you to enjoy the comfort and protection advantages of Magna Lens safety glasses. The Magna Lens magnetic earmuff adapters will snap onto the front of your earmuffs. On the back, you will notice a pin within the circular opening, which is installed first into the gap between the black plastic component of your earmuffs. To do this, you will place the pin into that section first at an angle before you firmly snap the rest of that part down until it clicks. You will repeat the same process on the other side, where the pin will enter the gap first at an angle and then press down to firmly snap into place. That's it. Your Magna Lens magnetic earmuff adapters are installed and ready to use. If you have any questions, please reach out, as we are always happy to help.